Hello everyone, hello po sa inyong lahat. In this video today, I will show you how I make this star. And I am using 3.0mm crochet hook and a yellow acrylic yarn. So let's start. To start, we will make a magic circle. Like this, magic circle. Hold this tail. Wrap around your two finger like this. Grab the yarn with your yung maliit na finger, and then like this. And chain 1. So now you have a magic circle, and then we will do 9 double crochet inside this ring. 9 double crochet. So to make a 9 double crochet, yarn over your hook on this yarn over, insert your hook inside this ring here, grab the yarn and pull 2 loops. Ayan, and pull 2 loops. That's a double crochet. Another one, yarn over, insert your hook, pull 2 loops, pull 2 loops. That's a double crochet. So that's 2. You have 1, 2, another one, three, yarn over, pull 2 loops and pull 2 loops. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you have 9 double crochet. And then i-pull nyo lang tong, let's pull this small tail so that the circle will be like this. Wait. So i-pull nyo lang to siya. Pull this one. And now you have this circle. You have 9 double crochet. So you will count here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you have 9 chain on this circle. 9 chain and slip stitch on the first chain. Here, slip stitch. Slip stitch on the first chain. So that's slip stitch, and then we will make a 7 chain, 7 pitong chain. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you have 7 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So dun sa on the 6th chain, diba, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the 6th chain, here we will do a slip stitch. Slip stitch. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, and ilagay nyo dito. You can put your, that's the slip stitch. Okay, slip stitch. And then on the next chain we will do a single crochet. To do a single crochet, insert your hook on the next chain, grab the yarn, and pull these 2 loops. That's a single crochet. And then on the next chain we will do a half double crochet. Half double crochet. So to half double crochet, yarn over your hook on the yarn, insert your hook on the chain, grab the yarn. So you have 3 loops, and pull these 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. One more time, yarn over, insert your hook on the next chain, grab the yarn. You have 3 loops, and then pull these 3 loops. That is a half double crochet. And on the next chain we will do a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook on the next chain, grab the yarn. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull 2 loops, and pull 2 loops. That is a double crochet. One more time, yarn over, insert your hook on the last chain, insert your hook, grab the yarn. You have 3 loops, pull 2 loops, and pull 2 loops. That's a double crochet. So as you can see, you make a 7 chain, and then on the 6th chain you slip stitch, and then on the next one you do a single crochet, and in the next chain you do a half double crochet, and on the next half double crochet, and on the next double crochet, and on the last chain you do a double crochet. So you just need to repeat this one, and then after that we will slip stitch on the 2nd chain. You will see here you have 1 and 2. I don't know if you can see it. You have 1 and 2. Slip stitch on the 2nd one. You have to skip this chain here, and then on the next one slip stitch. And slip stitch. After that we will make again a 7 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you have again a 7 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then on the 6th chain we will do a slip stitch. On the next one, single crochet. On the next chain, half double crochet. Wait. Half double crochet. On the next one, half double crochet, another half double crochet. 2 chain, the last 2 chain, 1 and 2, we will do a double crochet. And on the last one again, a double crochet. And then slip stitch on the second one. Skip the first chain, you go to the second chain and slip stitch. And then slip stitch on the second chain. You have 1 and 2 slip stitch. So now you have finished your star. Cut lang natin. Let's cut this one here and pull through this one. So that's it. You just need to hide the tail on the back of the star. And then once you hide that tail, and you're done. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and see you again on my next video. Bye bye.